Hello friends, welcome to CADCAM Nation. Today, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you that how you can place or insert customized parts and components right inside the design library, which you can use whenever you want into your large assembly. So, I'm going to explain this video step by step so you can follow this video along. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the latest upcoming videos. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So, as you can see, there is a design library option when you start the Solidworks of your version. Click on it, and inside is the design library option. When you again click on it, you will see there are different categories available for you. I'm going to place my bearing templates right inside the parts and go to hardware. I'm going to create another folder here named bearing template, and I'm going to place all the bearing template which I created right inside of this folder. So how I'm gonna create that folder which comes up here. So for doing this, go to your bearing templates which you have created. Like this. As you can see, there are various bearing templates which I have created, which I uses on regular basis in my designing assembly. So when I'm click on it, as you can see, there is the bearing. I'm gonna copy all these bearings which I created before. Right click on it and copy. Now go to this PC or my computer, go to C, local disk, program data, then go to Solidworks, then click on the Solidworks of your version. Then you see there is a design library option available. Click on it, then go to parts and hardware. Now I'm gonna create the folder here and naming it bearing template. Now right inside of it, I'm gonna right click on it and paste all the bearings which I have created. Now you can close the window. Now when you click on the design library, you can see there is a bearing template folder which I have created just before. When you double click on it, you can see all the bearings or the customized bearing templates which I created right inside of it. To place it, just go to the folder or assembly, or I'm gonna choose the part just to give you a brief inside of it. When you are inside the template part, click design library and the bearing, suppose 6003, just click and drag it. Now they are giving you the message, are you trying to make a drive part? Click on yes and place it. Now you can see the bearing template which I have created. I can use this template or many components I can use and place it whenever I want. It is very easy to bring different components. You can also create another folder with the different name like bolts, nuts, screws, etc. It is up to you that you can create. So I'm gonna give you the template files of these bearings which I have created. You can download these template files as well for the reference purposes. You can use it wherever you want, so you can download it. Okay guys, this is the final output we have. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Last but not the least, leave your valuable feedback down into the comment section and tell me how I can improve the quality of the content. So in the next video, I can put your suggestion into work. Stay tuned and happy. This is CADCAM Nation. Thanks for watching.